Good morning to all. Already we started the lesson. The name is atmosphere. Is it or not? So already we seen the layers of the atmosphere. Now we are going to see about the weather and the climate. Okay, what is the weather? What is the climate means? Weather, morning we are getting the too much of the sunlight, but the afternoon we are getting the rain means that changes will be called as a weather. But the climate from the February or March, you can tell from the February or March we are getting the sunlight up to June. Is it on the regular sunlight we are getting too much of the temperature because we are getting, is it or not? That is a climate. Or from the November to up to February or January, we are getting too much of the winter. Drizzle we are getting regularly in the morning. This is all the climate. That all will be called as a climate. Okay. Okay. These two things was happening because of certain factors. Okay. What are the important thing means? We have here to 8 actually. One by one we can see. First one, near to the equator. What is the equator actually? What is the equator? Equator, Earth. Earth will be divided into two, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. That line is there, no? That will be called as the equator. Here we are getting the sunlight, the vertical line we are getting. So especially these areas will get too much of the summer. Remaining all the areas will be called as will get slanting rays only. So this area will get more of a temperature. So because of that, so much of the changes will be happen in the weather also, in the climate also. So from the, for example, from the February to June we are getting more temperature. March to June we are getting more temperature. Means this area will get more temperature. Okay. But in this that time we will get the rain also. That will be the weather. That will be the weather. But normally we will get too much of the temperature. That will be the climate. But we will get the rain also at that time. That will be called as a weather. So that is the thing. So near to the equator is also one of the reason for changing of the climate, changing of the weather. So much of changes will be happening in the weather and the climate changing also will be happening. Australia is saying in 6 months summer, 6 month winter. Russia maximum if you see in sunlight very less actually. Complete they are getting near to 10 to 11 months they are getting complete winter season only. China also the same. Okay, so that's the thing. So near to the equator, which are all the countries there means they will get the so much of the changes in the weather and the climate. Reason vertical sunlight we are getting. Remaining areas are we are getting slanting rays only sunlight. Okay. Okay. Next one. Altitude. What is it? Height. Okay. So altitude. When you are from the plain area, if you are moving for any hills region, means the temperature will be moderate, will be different. Compared to the plain area, there the temperature will be very less. How much it will be less means for 1 kilometer, the 6.5 degrees Celsius will be reduced. For 1 kilometer. How much? For 1 kilometer. For each 1 kilometer, for near to 6.5 degrees Celsius, temperature will be reduced. So, altitude is also one of the reason for changing of the weather, changing of the climate. Okay, next one. Near to the ocean or sea, we can tell. Land breeze, sea breeze. Land area. This is a sea breeze. Same land area. This will be the land breeze. Okay, this will be the morning. This will be the night. Sea breeze is happening means it's daytime. Land breeze is happening it means night time. Okay, on daytime the wind will be flow towards land area and it will travel and again it will move and this circulation will be happen at the daytime. So only at the daytime maximum at the coastal region they will get too much of the temperature. The wind which you are getting in near to the coastal region, that will be the heat of the wind will be too much of temperature will be more. Temperature will be more and it will be completely it's having some salt also. Okay, and here land breeze will be happening at night time. The wind will be blow towards this direction. So we will get the temperature will be reduced. Night time the temperature will be more in the coastal region, and then morning time means daytime, and the night time after 11 or 12 o'clock the temperature will be start to reduce. Morning again it will be start to increase. Reason, the directions of the wind it will be changed. So because of the near to the ocean sea, the climate changes also will be happen, weather changes also will be happen. Suddenly cyclone they are getting means sudden rain they will get, weather changes. Okay, so sea breeze, land breeze. Okay, next one. Nature of prevailing winds actually. Okay, so what is the nature of prevailing winds? The wind, moving of the wind actually, the wind blowing, no, that's the thing. So from the warm area, it's moving towards low pressure, that is a climate was winter climate means this particular warm, from the warm area the wind is blowing, no, that will be moved towards that area and it will give more rainfall, or the climate will be changed, the dryness will be given because of that wind which is moving from the warm area. It will give rainfall or dryness it will give because of that wind. So from the winter area, from the very less temperature is there, no, from that area we are getting the wind means it's moving towards the warm area. It will give more winter or dryness. These changes will be happen because of the prevailing winds. Prevailing winds actually. Okay. So because of this also climate or weather changes will be happen. Next one, mountain valleys. How do you measure mountain valleys means, for example, mountain, clouds moving towards this area. Okay, so because of this mountain, from this cloud we will get the rain. So here the rainfall will be more, but what about opposite side? Means the rainfall will be very less, But here more rainfall we will get, but here very less rainfall we will get. So this side will be called as a leeward. This side more rainfall we are getting now, that side will be called as a windward. So climate changes will be happen. More rainfall you will get, that area will be called as a windward. Opposite side it will be called as a leeward, very less rainfall they will get. So because of the mountains, barriers also, the climate or weather changes will be happen. Okay, next one, cloud. Yes, in sky, if you are having more clouds means, if you are getting the sunlight also, the temperature will be reduced. Because of the clouds, that the temperature will be very less, but you will get the light. Okay, if you are having a clear sky means, the temperature will be more. The temperature will be more. So, because of the cloud covering also, the climate or weather changes will be happen. Okay, next one, ocean currents. What is that? Ocean currents. Ocean current means what? Under the ocean, the water blowing in certain direction, that will be called as a ocean current. Okay, it will be warm ocean current and cold ocean current. Is it or not? That warm ocean current, which are all the areas here, coastal regions, near the coastal region, they will get more temperature. Which are all the area having cold current, they are all there with the winter temperature will be more. So these changes also will be happen because of the ocean currents. Warm means high temperature, cold means less temperature. That's it. Okay, next one, natural vegetation. Natural vegetation. More trees, more plants, they are all the place you are having, they are all the temperature will be very less. If you are not having a plant, not having any tree, nothing means you will get more temperature. Example, normal area and a forest region. Forest region, we will get less temperature. Normal area, we will get more temperature. The same temperature is near in the forest also, but we can't feel that because we have number of trees. From the tree, we will getting the water vapor, so the humidity will be more. But in normal area, we having more trees means we will get more temperature. So because of the natural vegetation also, we are all getting weather changes and the climate changes. So these are all the important factors for changing of the weather and the climate. How many is there? Totally 8. Totally 8 factors is there. Okay? So understand and read it. Okay, and learn. So next thing we are going to say about the wind actually. Okay, so that thing you can see in next class. So we have some differentiate between the weather and climate. How we can differentiate that means simple. For example, the weather is one of the steady observing about the climate. Sorry, observing. Yes, that's what it. Weather is a study of observation of the short time and the small area. Short time and the small area. Observation of the that particular time at particular area alone. How is the weather? Climate, observation of the average conditions of the large time and the larger area. This is a differentiate. First one. Second one, day by day, hour by hour, we have so much of the changes. That's a weather. But climate means it will take for a long time. It will take long time. The same thing will be continuous for a long time. Maybe a summer means for a long time it will be there. So that's a big climate. Okay. And what is it? The study of weather is meteorology. Climate is climatology. Okay, meteorology, weather. The study of weather is meteorology. The study of climate is climatology. Okay. Climatology. Okay, study of weather means meteorology, study of climate means climatology. Okay, and if you see means day by day we are getting the what is it? Temperature of the each and every district. Okay, 40 degree or maybe a 35 or 36. But this week all means 40, 49, 32, 33, 35. But overall, the big average, what is average means? That is a climate. Day by day we are getting means that is a weather. Overall the year, overall the month, what is the average means? That is a climate. So this is a difference. Okay, this is a difference. Okay, so this is about this is all the data about the weather and the climate. So understand properly, learn it properly, send your work on time. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.